Hi everyone. In this video, we will learn how to scrape the reviews information and the product information, either apps, movies, books, or games from the Google Play product page. We will use the Google Play product API from SerpApi. First, sign up for free at serpapi.com. After activating your account, from your dashboard, copy your API key, then create a new .env file to store this key like this. For the main program, we will create an empty main.py file. Moving to the terminal or command prompt, we need to install two packages. First, python.env, and second, SerpApi library itself. Back to our text editor, we import the OS module to read the env file, to load the package, and then we assign a new variable called API key to get our API key from the env file itself. Next, import the SerpApi library. Then create a new client from SerpApi instance using serpapi.client, assign the API key as parameter. We will use Google Play product API to scrape the reviews from a product at Google Play. It requires the product ID from which product we want to get the reviews from. To get the product ID, we can visit play.google.com and you can click on any of the app, you'll be able to see the ID. For this tutorial, I'm going to look for a chess app and we'll pick a random chess application. For example, here, chess for kids. I'll take the ID to use in our program. Back to our editor, we will use the search method in the client instance. We will add the required parameters, which are the engine, Google Play product, and use the product ID we just get from the Play Store page. Feel free to change this based on the app you want to get the reviews from. And then the store to apps. Now we can print these results. Let's try to run this program. And as you can see, we can get the basic information of this application using the Google Product API. But we only get a few reviews for now. If we want to scrape all the reviews, we have to take a look at the documentation page first. And as you can see in the reviews parameters here, we can add all reviews and set it to true to get all the reviews. And one other important thing is we can sort the reviews and also assign the num parameter to define how many reviews we want to get. But it has a maximum value to 199. But don't worry, we can get the next page or the next reviews on the next page using this next page token. So first, I'll add two additional parameters to get all the reviews, which is all reviews set to true, and also set the maximum number of the reviews to 199 based on the documentation. Let's run the program again, and now we have more reviews than before. And as you can see, we have the next page token in the SerpApi pagination response. So the idea is we will loop this program. As long as there is next page token in the SerpApi pagination, we will loop the program and pass the next page token there to get all the reviews. For now, let's print the total results that we have from the reviews. I use the len method in the Python, and we already got the maximum value. Next, we will add the pagination logic here. We will declare the while true statement here. As long as it has the SerpApi pagination, I will add this method here. It's very similar to we have previously, with the exception we add a new parameter which is next page token, which we can get from the SerpApi pagination, and next page token to be exact here. And here, instead of printing all the results, I can just count the total reviews for this. I can also remove this part so we can just see how many page or how many reviews we get per call. And when all done, we can print this statement. Let's run the program. As you can see, after the first review, it will run the next program, which is the pagination part, and it will keep looping until it doesn't have the pagination information anymore. And all done is printed. It means we already get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pages, which each has around 200 results. So that's it. That's how to scrape the reviews information of any product at Google Play. Now let's export the results to CSV file. We will use Pandas for this. Let's install the package pip install pandas. Then import the pandas package. We can assign a new variable called data that get the results here. We can do the same for all the pagination, but just for a simple example, I'll ignore the pagination for now and just grab the results for the data. You can of course append the data here as well. And finally, let's just put the data in the data frame and then use the toCSV method, and you can name your file whatever you want. Let's run this program. Now I'll open the directory and see the CSV file is now exists. Let's open it, and as you can see, using pandas, now I have all complete information in a nice structure like this exported to CSV file. So that's it. Feel free to try.